Welcome back, YouTube, to Chef RJ Soul Food and more. Today, we're making homemade chicken alfredo pasta. So, right now we're gonna boil chicken for a good while, and then once it's done, we're gonna peel the meat and stuff off the bone and put the meat up here. Once we get that going, we're gonna film that. It's also, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you share. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go there and subscribe. We got 21 subscribers. We're at 919 views so far. So thank you guys. Hit the thumbs up. Let's keep supporting the channel. Keep viewing the videos as much as possible. And we'll be back to finish this here in a little bit.